Hello everyone. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our amazing range of hand-forged, lightweight aluminum sinks. Designed with variety of styles and unique designs to cater to your individual needs and preferences. Our aluminum sinks are made from high-quality, lightweight aluminum, which not only makes them extremely durable, but also ensures easy installation and maintenance. The sinks come in various sizes and shapes, allowing you to choose the perfect one for your kitchen or bathroom. Our designers have used their expertise and creativity to craft a wide variety of designs for your sink choices. You can find square, oval, and rectangle shapes, as well as more contemporary designs with clean lines and smooth curves. Some of our popular designs include floral, geometric, and minimalist patterns, ensuring that there is something for every taste and style. One of the key features of our aluminum sinks is their lightweight nature. This makes them perfect for those who are looking for a more space-saving solution in their kitchen or bathroom. They are also easy to clean thanks to their antibacterial properties and smooth surfaces. In addition to their stylish and functional designs, our aluminum sinks are also eco-friendly. They are made from recycled materials, reducing your carbon footprint and helping to preserve the environment. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, lightweight, and versatile sink option, our hand-forged, lightweight aluminum sinks are just what you need. With their variety of designs and unique features, you can be sure to find the perfect one to match your style and needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your kitchen or bathroom aesthetics with our amazing range of hand-forged, lightweight aluminum sinks. Experience the difference today.